This project is a really cute idea. I actually bought these at the dollar store. They were really inexpensive for like 6 or 8 of them. And what you have to do first is make sure you clean it really well. And then you can put in any kind of red candy and put the cap on tight. And then I have these really cute little hearts. This one says, "You're hot." And I'm just going to put a little glue dot there. Just glue that onto the top. And then on this one, it says, "Be mine." And then I'm going to layer them, and I like to put the "Be mine" on top, but that's just a personal preference. Then I'm taking some of our red scrunchy ribbon, and I'm going to just grab some Bowdabra Bow Wire. I don't need very much of it. So I'm taking some of my wire, and I'm using my Scrunchie Ribbon as my gift wrap. So I'm gonna center, you can just see I'm kind of centering these, and I'm just gonna pull that together tight here, take my wire, and the nice thing about the Bowdabra Bow Wire is you can just twist it. So all I'm doing is twisting it really tight. And then I'll just clip this here. I probably twisted it about 5 or 6 times. Then what I'm gonna do is just take my Bowdabra Scrunchie Ribbon. And then this time, I'm gonna just tie it. And then there's a little gift basket trick, which is I'm gonna take a glue dot, and I'm just gonna put, let's get this out of the way. I'm just gonna take this, and I'm just gonna kind of twist the end here and tuck the glue dot right there. I'll put the glue dot first so you can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm just gonna kind of twist this and glue it. That way it holds it down. So that gives it a nice finished look. So I'm gonna put this aside, and now I'm going to make my bow. So I'm gonna take my mini Bowdabra, and I'm gonna take a piece of Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to fold it in half and lay it into my mini Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath so that they stay out of my way. They're not attaching to anything. And as you'll see when we do this, there's springs that are gonna help the mini Bowdabra adapt. Now I'm taking a piece of our silver scrunch ribbon, and I'm actually gonna cut it in half. And we're gonna use both pieces. The first thing that I'm gonna do is just kind of scrunch this in here so it's in the middle. And this is gonna be my tails for my little bow. Then I'm gonna take the red scrunchy ribbon, and I'm gonna scrunch that down into my Bowdabra. And I pretty much just center it. Now I'm gonna take my wand and just kind of push everything down. Then I'm gonna take these cute little beads, and I'm just gonna kind of put them up that way. And then I have these beads, and I'm just gonna lay them going down the other way. And I have these cute little pearl beads. And that's what's cool with Bowdabra, is you can put as much or as little as you want. And then I'm gonna do a little scrunchy bow right on top with the other half of the scrunch ribbon that I cut before. I'm gonna take my wand, I'm gonna scrunch everything down, and then I'm going to take my Bowdabra Bow Wire. I have my slip knot because I folded it in half when I first put it in. And I'm gonna hold my bow down and pull the wire really, really tight so the bow, when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with it. Then I'm gonna just bring this around to the back, and I'm going to, whoops, I wanna make sure I keep these separate. And now I'm going to just tie a knot. I have this really cute little bow, but I'm gonna also add a really cute, and this is actually a foam heart. Now you have this adorable little Valentine's Day bow. And I'm gonna actually make a little bow so that it'll be easy for the person to take the bow off and save it if they want. And you have this really, really cute little Valentine's Day gift. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.